Hey. Huh? Hey. Huh? DJ. This our DJ, ne? Hey. Hmm? DJ. Yes, so give me Gary. The DJ they suit me. Yes, so share this video. I know do the video again. I'm doing this video for all level. Where are you guys? I'm on a Neron. Where are you guys? Share and make reach out to people. Hey, the music they sweet me. Hey. This music they sweet me now, but they play every day now. Why me? Eh? Udo. Opo. Eh? Opo no why would do? Yo. I will keep people when I come here. Eh? Yes, we don't get time to wait here anyway. Yeah, the music be the sweet me mama, but we don't have time to wait. Just a quick one. Quick little message. Alright, music. Stop. I love that music. The music is so fantastic. Good evening, everybody. How you doing? I don't wanted to talk before. You understand what I mean? And once you can enter my brain, I say, let me talk. During the colors of Swagalicious and all, I really don't want to follow and make trouble because I don't tell her last the thing Monica and Erokina today. Now this year, now last year, now last 2 years. No. My people, now no one understand. Some people when they go call, he carry Monica and Mama grave. Now they gram now. Waiting they board now. Now the grave they board. The grave matter now this year, now last year, now last 2 years. No. Okay. He can't insult Erokin people. Now today, now last year, now last 2 years, now last 3 years. No. 9 days for board. No. My people. He don't use the mouth tell you now. I want make him narrate because get what they talk just now. Now so if you want to marry, the marriage can't spoil. I want me narrate everything. If he no narrate and my husband, when the fee say spoil, now still they with so. Now they and that thing when you want talk so. I don't fair use do live video. Say I think when I hear when I say I not get passport, then they deport me from London. Go back to Italy. I narrate the story, yes or no? Not be new thing. How the rubbish when they talk, I talk am. How my sister stay go meet am as a native daughter, my junior sister. I tell am, I not tell am. I talk am here, I not talk am. I talk am. That one part. One thing when me I want ask Ewoking people, wanna come all my lovely Ewoking people. If Ewoking people get case, now Yoruba they judge am. Ewoking people now not men not theirs. If Ewoking have problem, now Yoruba they judge am. Not be the judge. Now Ewoking people get rights to they draw me up and down. Not be Adebuyi. Ewoking people now get right to they say, okay, can come on. Hey, what you talk? What they do? Make I explain to them. If Ewoking man now come and say, oh yeah, come, I go sit down. Not be, I not go sit down for social media because our case, we know they judge them for social media. Now palace that they judge them. I go tell her, say, oh, sorry, you be Ewoking. Okay, let's fix a date. Let's go to Ewoking palace and judge. But when meta, me why you Yoruba na? Hey Yoruba no? Okay, now when meta baby ta. Adeboye you Yoruba na. Hey Ewoking na. Now where we meta baby. Because Ebueta honwe na. He say I not get husband. I tell you na here na my husband they follow me the correct. Huh? Last time my husband call her. He just make it respect us. It's small because say, waiting, he not like we be the same, make we know the quarrel for live video. You understand? He know 1 year. If he say he know my family, you don't know my family. I still talk and how they take dig these people. They dig something for my compound. I come here and I read that the way they rake. I want to do this. I want to do that. I still talk. Your mama na forever too. Let me tell you, Ewoking people, or no, Ishan people, whether Benin, each state for Ishan, they get their own king. Ever to get king, Ubiaja get king. Ewoking get their own king. Evosa get their own king. Uromi get their own king. Now so the king be. So, in na ever to, in mama na be ever to. I papa na Yoruba. Yes. Now shop na you can carry for near Mero there. Where they do photographer. So the thing when don't pass when they bring every year. This case when you bring so American people judge them. This case when they make the most hefty man. This case one you know say that time when Monica do one. Before, you know why? That day when Monica do that thing. Because before Monica do, I do Monica. The king don't already hear. Waiting, but that day, I still there in tears when Monica do that thing. Because anything when I do, I must tell my king. I tell him. I said, Baba, see what the person send come for me. See what he do me. He said, I'm so brave that would see for my compound. Now I cry, I put. But when I come see your grave now, I come put out for social media. Say he grave there on a compound. I say grave there on a compound. I be not no say grave there. Okay. This thing when they talk just now say, when Monica bring that page, you know what in Swagalicious. That page they there since Monica see and say they there. Lord of say they there. That page of Rayson. The picture where they not pass our king of Rayson. Then they see me and they dance there sometimes and they come Facebook. Now when this Swagalicious native daughter, when me can't go do me and Monica the quarry, I can't go the page. Now he can't go the page. Now the so where the king there, now they go make trouble. Now from there they can say, okay, now they are king with this. Make we rubbish and take put up back for trouble. Now they take carry that picture. This thing, okay, wait to. This case where they say Eddie Murphy not get right to judge. Now he get right. No, na see resist to. He wants to share Benin and Ishan. Now you want go open page now. Each and be where they judge the case. Jealousy, obvious mockery. Ah, yeah, jealous. Where face us way. Zero bomb social media. Everybody get platform to judge whatever they want to judge. That one is not a problem. Me get my own, you get your own. And the month you judge the case, you say you're not satisfied. The Monica Wahala, now you bring her, now I can't join you. I think say you be my better brother. I think say you be better person. Now I can't say Monica, hey, give Evoking money. Give Evoking money. Evoking money. Give bring her. I can't join this wait, I don't know what I call her. I can't join her the bit money. Hey? You understand? Now, I know if you say they not bribe you, put her for fire. I know wake you up. I know people will give you money. I know people will call you. But I not be that one concern me. One thing I want to let you know, open live video, tell how my mama, my papa be, my brother, my sister. If me not still open my mouth, tell people, see this my mouth. They not zip am. They not, you see man. I don't need any call to cost person, no. No contribution. Hello? Are they fine? Good evening. I don't want to make it. I be not want insult them. I beg. I know. Okay. Yes.
Okay. I greet everybody. What thing I want to know for this matter is native doctor. I know one call and say because anything money they do, I am within God to know. But I'm very, very tired of people when they come around because they need money. You could come find who you want, you should make trouble. You could come.
Now so me they use. If you not use Monica, you go use Osage. If you not use Osage, you go use me. Hey, he said they spray money like say I be my husband.
I did for truth. Make they do native doctor. Anything what you do for this life, if you dey honest, not the way person fit do you. That in truth. Now after two and finish, now hand where you could use the cap. I know they for all those the man. Okay, I see a few days ago he talk say Monica and all say you know what talk for this matter again. No, they just won't come out. So the useless man still come out today again, carry matter on the insult him mama. You understand?
No insulting mama. Mama na my I beg, mama na my sister, I beg. It no matter, live fine. You not get respect for yourself. If they insult my husband, if they insult he heads.
Give people chance to insult you, know good. Okay, when they talk about coronavirus, now you won't come they carry another.
Okay, he say he be able to kill coronavirus now. Who he help? No, I beg you, good. I bet no one goes here.
So what can I see? Say the man he get jealous of you. He get within the.
He dey jealous.
You understand? He get another thing with the better.
Make you know here, you go put his wife. Say me say his wife now old woman. Now that one we dey talk now. My husband when he insult just now call. You see say my husband said they boy. My husband said they boy for year. Wait, be say he dey spoil his wife name. Okay, my brother, listen. Wetin I do for Eboki? Mona ask me native doctor how many years? Wait, are they come? Hold on. It not be a dose state now. It na if mama na be able to. You know it won't be Eboki me. No. I know. I hear them. My people, every Every time I go, now so I go Scotland. You get one of my my people. If my junior brother they do something, I carry a bunch. Go spray. Mona not come. I don't need all this call. Hello. Now. You know say your wahala na so e be. Wait, Josephine, wait, at the con, hold on. Josephine, you think say I know they watch you. I'll block you from now. You know they know you go they follow come my page, they do prayer and whatever. I just want to tell you my own mind, Josephine, yeah. I'm gonna block you. You can insult me whatever you like. You not see they go say sa yes, two. You not be able to kill me. You not know the one where they did. I block you. Josephine, bye from now. Hello.
Make I talk. So what I want to tell you is what this or what they do, you know what they need to do. You know, see as they carry John, one day go say John or say no one talk about John and then tomorrow you go bring up and if they find what they comment people watching video. Make it because
Nah, you know say newly open new page. Who you go tell open new page? Hey. I want make a boy open my nyashi. Facebook, my nyashi. About make you open my mama page.
Mama, wait, all these Facebook fights are not the man. But I don't see you. You have a very good heart. You'll be better woman. And anybody where they fight myself where they fight. You see my problem with anybody, but I know say you know they carry up for her. You'll be better woman. So
thank you.
Make that man leave you alone. And if you insult and bad, any day when you call you for tonight, now you go down.
He not got see he don't know anything. I know I won't come spoil the juju or whatever. I know he level. I know he level.
If you say you talk to your wife, now in the better. If you don't call you say mama, this thing where you talk, I never forgive you. You go beg her, I know you go beg her. So make you go sit down. I don't want to hear that in female voice where they shout for a person where they drag shit for nyas. Make you go sit down and beg. Make I leave you.
Thank you.
Take a mission.
Don't worry, my dear. Wait till make me just on this one not be to call or whatever. Or but not be able to not get right to judge able to problem. No. This case, not be case of 1 year. Every year now or but they bring out money can insert our palace. Money can insert our palace. Now your palace. Not be your bad palace. Leave us. Ha! Every year. Money can insert our palace. Money can insert our palace. Money can insert our palace. Hey, Okpaka. Na him be concosan. La. Na him kakasasa. Obo, you be racist from today go. I know. You know why Obo be racist? The Murphy judge case, you say no get right. The Murphy not even get right to judge case from Benin, go to Shishaland. Yeah, because na those states. The Murphy judge and the way we go to the not be saying like the Murphy judge and now the caller na Georgia. They do and the way they do there. The Murphy judge, you say no because say you get the Murphy passport photocopy, you go put that for life. The Murphy not get right to judge. Now you get the certificate to come and get your Facebook. Hey, Facebook could be called blue. Make you where you say I'm not get husband. After you can't say husband call you. How many months you get? You say don't be like us. You not get husband. After my husband can't call me. He dey dance. This one say they dance. So my dance they piss you up. I'm giving my husband joy. When I'm dancing here, my husband is calling. Is it not true if I dance? You like her?
Yeah.
My husband, you like her? Let them hear your voice. You like my dance, darling. My husband like my dance. So why are you crying? Everybody get the way to give your family joy. If you don't know how to satisfy your husband, your boyfriend, or whatever, it's not my business. My husband like when I'm dancing, when I'm talking, when I know they make trouble. He prefer me to dance safe. Make I not make wahala. In this case, now if to say na, I don't know why you say you be chief. Chief where they go remember waiting pass. Which kind of chief be this? Oh, the other side I say they support them sage. If you sage can carry chest, poo. Is that your business? Now you be my husband. My husband no say Osage matter fit cut my head. My husband know the way I take fight for people. He know the way I take love people. My husband, Joe or Bo, you don't know where my husband has the. One man describe it for you. May go there. Yeah. Okay, you say I follow a person, take picture, he put chair there. Who be that? He come for ya. You hear say I press on with my breast. Even though I say, oh, weapon. That is not there my spirit, my mind. It was that one. He can't hug person. He can't follow and snap picture. He can't pull leg for Sage leg. Yeah. I dey beg you now, both from today go. Leave Ebokimi matter alone. I use the God of Yoruba lands. You want me to need that? I feel need that for you. The God of Yoruba land to beg you. Leave Ebokimi alone because you are not from Ebokimi. You don't have rights to judge Ebokimi. Well, Elle we do really. Elle why better Elle? Where Ebokimi can receive you as Peking, as everything, like a brother. You dead there now, you be photographer. Who the video our Ukbeze festival. Like last year now, me with your both sister, we did together. Yemi, me and Yemi did together with the flesh together. Yemi de palace 24. The way when Yemi did the palace, or Bono even the palace there. Me and Yemi de palace 24 hours. We dey sleep. We go eat for restaurant, eat everywhere. Obo no even know me. You know me well. You don't know me. In that year, you take here, you won't come to marry. The husband not be a day with you. If I be one go do marriage, when be say a day here, a lot of people say my visa not strong. I not go come let my husband risk and go. I wait. We not come. Only me come go as we not do one. I need my marriage to be there when my husband is there. But when everything is okay, we go down. Where do you want to talk for Facebook? You say you go our house, una go dig juju. I felt talking now. Una dig juju when it be like pot like this. Not be saying now you go do one more. Now video you vid. Not be you not be even video. Now person go video. It did like this the pot. They say see what it they inside. Me now not believe all those bullshit. I still talking here. My junior sister, when they wherever, where you say they, now they call you when you get problem. If they call you, I hate it. I know they go to the doctor because when their mouth won't open, that's why they preach to now. If you go to the doctor, the day when one mouth won't open. Now me can't make my sister. I know. I go say stop. Don't go there. What? You share from my mom. I be share from my mom. Oh yeah. Oh. Okay. No, you boy tell me ni no me on jare. Hey. You know what let person hear what? Any smart you want open new page. Diana Sage. You hear me? He will now listen. He said, "Na me teach how to open page." Yes. If trouble they sweet you. If you don't know waiting, you take your hand, go that page, go do. You want try to wake people up. If case, strong case, they grant. When it never reach when you try to die and down. That's why they see chief, king, and a dan, and be a dan. Ever king people, or Asian people know what they call a dan. A dan making. And okay. You say never keep people saying you this evening. I beg swagger, na lie. Waiting the mona ask swagalisho, una when they watch me. Una when they watch me, yeah. Mona ask swagalisho, what is going on in Ebokimi right now? I know what is going on. Mona answer, what is going on right now? We not supposed to enter live video. They make what is going on in Ebokim right now? You don't know. Ebokim, this moment of time when we did for Ebokim, nobody will send you message. Nobody will send you message. Mona Sobo, but that day when they come for, I don't know where go. He go party from Lagos to Uromi. When they come, he not go palace. So may go tell them more. I day exactly how many years I never reached exactly. I travel to abroad. He can't go one mero do na. He can't insult our palace. This Obo. Una remember, he dey insult our palace. Now in the game, that day they say the king of Ebokim, you cannot do anything. Is that not insult, my dear? I challenge you. Say, how dare you, Korokutu? How dare you to say the king? You know what repair Ebokim? He used the money to repair palace. Is that not insult for you? Oh, darling. Will you remove your mouth from our matter? Because you said they give me rice, I go share. I'm telling you from today, our daddy is proud of me. One of them. If you say you love Ebokim, as I share rice, you're supposed to add your own joiner so we will grow. At the share rice in Norwich, you suppose the place where it give you glory. Because Ebokim give you glory because you did very small when your mama carry you come out for Yoruba land. You understand? When your mama carry you come out for Yoruba land, go ever to from ever to you can't stay for Ebokim. Ebokim have blessed you a lot. But you have been swagger for Lagos. From when you there abroad, you not go buy even one, give a king of Ebokim say, a day, oh Baba, thank you. If not be your photographer, when I the video, the money when I gather with Yemi, what they go abroad, and for not seeing, you don't do one, no. But that day you go party, they come, sit down for where they beer parlor. There is no network. That place, you remember I challenge you for there. I go the same, because you cannot bring my Ebokim down. I still go the place, the same spot. On my live video there, I was telling people, see where you want bring Ebokim down. Say, no live, no network, no this. I do it. And you know what they talk to you? I challenge you. You record, you say you send record. As they say, I delete them because I don't want me and you quarrel. Anything where you know, so they play. I don't even know what you play there. My people, if they say voice record like Mumu, I don't know what they do. You know, say small pikin. If you don't see big man, you too they proud. Bring your shoulder down. I get this, I get it, that. That video, that. I bet my brother, you still small for me. Come down, they tell me say I be small pikin. You senior me. Now you and that my junior sister, now you be mates. You don't even reach the level of the tailor. The tailor when they say sister, the circular. If you still thief now, you say thief. If you do a shower now, you say do a shower. Thank God say you tell people say na tailor. You never come a man with you. Call a witch. Now work. You not go pay no so. Me know your work. You try if you rubbish my family, we not care about you. You are an ordinary photographer. When you call Richard Brown, I don't know you say be native doctor. I don't know. I don't know you for native doctor. Now automatically you can't do native doctor for Facebook. All the ace and lands, the native daughter of Face and Land. Have you ever seen them on Facebook? No. Somebody comment just now, ordinary comment. You say you will paralyze the person. I was watching you. You be the man, you let me first, man. Ordinary comments, you say you will paralyze them. Did you? But if you know something, they not criticize you for them. Why did you on live video? You go, everybody will talk to you, you want to paralyze all of them. I pay, people where they pay, I may come put my name, join this case. Yeah? Mona give her money, may disgrace me. Oh yeah! Tell her, say, Mona, may tell her about my marriage. He say, no, we gave her. Mona give her money. And may tell her, what did they go to for my park compound? For Iselu. Mona give her money, join her. If na my junior sister, wait, find out go, because I don't know what the carry that one, he reach his place. Because when I call that one, say, Baba, we need. That one say, no nuance. He don't know. I say, sister, I find. I say, oh yeah, bah, babe. thank God say that one he quick run for. You see, native doctor, don't go there. If they diverse, they won't come tell you what you gonna do for the house. Me, I know they go native doctor. See me so. Is your mama not they go, me not they go. No. The person, if the case they hot, I go call solution on this platform. If this thing will go, the boy will teach swagger native doctor. Solution. I go call him. Come this my platform. And if you not come, what will be that? Every day. That's a useless woman. You are very stupid. I'll be your mate. I want you to continue to do live. You are stupid. To talk to my husband low, you are stupid. Swagger, I've been a bet you were good look at you. I think but the cameraman. Where unun where judgment on you one. You the Chris? You are my husband, I meet. I provoke you now. Do more video. Make me contest. If you talk my story, you know, say now we get okay. The way when your mouth is not let us talk, because your mouth will work for you. Don't go there. And I don't want to offend your mom. And because if I offend your mom, now can't they offend your sisters? I love those two sisters too much. I don't want because of you. Swagger, I don't want because of you. Can't they insult who not near me? Take your time. The way when they tell me my sister, they take your time. Take your time. Hey, bring that one. They say husband, you don't know that guy husband. You don't know. Okay, because say you don't know my husband call you daddy. Why you are not satisfied. My husband call you, can't record them. And you see how stupid you are. If he wants to call you just now, say, don't tell her. Who be a debo where you carry food. Oh, your money. Now, but who ever kill me one. Who are you? Money, if money they shack you. You say you talking for your president abroad where you not follow working people make trouble. Yeah, make friends. Yeah, because they don't like all those you not like her. You not every boys here, they don't like adults, secure boy, social media. You are a native doctor on social media, yeah. If you're a real native doctor, your team, stay your ass. Everybody go line up. You don't see a DBA. A DBA, not the con social media, but a DBA, not the con social media. Now lie, they lie. If you see story building for village, go and see what is the Ayan is not a social media, my bad. Go look at almost 4 buildings you have in Eboki. You never go abroad, but all those on let person you go to. Go and look at Amenabudo. They are from Eboki. They have many houses. They never know abroad. Even abroad, they don't know. They are just there. They are just there. That Eboki, they don't move. But they have upstairs. They have downstairs. They have almost 3 cars. But you not only want 2 cars you day for your compound. Only that building you don't know the person you go. Baking, remember to put me down, put my husband down. If they pay you, they know me for social media. As you say, that me be the trouble of social media. I claim it and I will pepper them. Me not be shake. I may be the shakeable of social media. No, no, no. That's unshakable on social media. When you do anyhow, you collect. Oh yes. How does when they couple? He said, now baby, your mama will not teach you how to cook. You idiot boy, we say in London. You are very stupid. You stupid boy. You say, he said, not the agbo. Your mama, you know, why going to teach you how to cook? You the crazy? He said, make the advice. You go and collect advice for your mother. You don't hear me? Go and collect advice for your mother, not from a white guy. I get people advice, people that are normal. I get people at the teacher how to cook, people that are normal. Not you. He said making the teachers how to cook, how to what you talk again, idiots boy. You are stupid. We are for the talk, you will fit talk for the. If you see me for London for ground, if you will let you talk to me, you Chris. Or you see me for midst of all those people that are normal in Ebokimi. Can you talk to me? You can't talk to me. Social media make you talk to me. Amen. Una de Chris. Don't bath. Any man when they come sit down, follow women. You not get respect for your wife or us. If you get respect, you don't talk to me anyhow. You see, put and insult my wife. You insult me, I insult your wife. Because if you insult me, I give it to your wife because you get wife. If your wife pay you, my husband, how they pay. You hear say when you they talk to her up and down, they think they vex my husband. Means I talk to your wife, pay you. You talk to me, you pay my husband. Are you stupid? Are you mad? Yeah, this man. But let me tell you, you don't have right to judge everything in case. All right. Come on. I beg you, Swagalicious. I'm not begging you. If you ever keep full everywhere, when you go talk this matter, you not get right to talk this matter. Yeah? Put us down. Because this case, it don't finish since. This case, native daughter, put her down. It don't finish since. Everything even don't forget. Only that the memory that they say, Monica, your friend, but it don't stay. The case where I don't judge every year. Every year. Okay. Every year. Huh? Okay. Every year. I hear my husband, my ear. Every year. Yeah, this man. You not be able to go to Yoruba land. You are there. Go judge case. You not see the way you just carry shop for Yoruba land. You they go bring the poor people judge their case. Who beat children judge their case. That case where they judge now free. Not be free now. You they collect money now. Both side, both side. If you ever want me go to head by where me go be man. I mean your teacher. I want you where I challenge you now. I want you to naked me. And when you finish, I'll come talk my own. Nobody will not get cockroach for cover you. When you do your own finish, I don't let bad basolo, enaria, basolo. You know what I mean by this one? This thing where I do so. OJ, basolo. You know what I mean? You know. Enaria, basolo, oh, now bye. I just want to let you know. Leave Ebokimi alone. You don't have right to judge. Now the Murphy even have right to judge Edo State. No, you. You can't. You won't try to suppress Eddie Murphy. Hey, not a big judge. Now you because you hold on for one day. Just take ya. Well, if now hold one person for one day, now that one I won't come to bully the person. Now you the judge. Eddie Murphy might judge. Eddie Murphy don't have right. Eddie Murphy now get 100% right because now I do you be Yoruba. Rubbish.